my God, they're
Hey. Yeah. Yeah, they're caged.
That's what they can be the same cage.
Well, Prudence is in her own little cage, and Kevin is already finished.
They're better when they get older.
Is she the maid of honor? Or
Yeah.
She's the maid of honor.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know you had some specific words you wanted me to say.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? I knew exactly what it was. Yeah.
But not quite yet.
oh gosh, this is too cute.
This is your event.
All right. So I'm looking for a volunteer in the audience who will man the camera. All you have to do is turn it on and just make sure you got the weddings. We are in the wedding.
Oh my goodness.
He's got his little bow tie.
Oh my gosh.
Help me with Kevin first. And if I could have a little girl's volunteer. Somebody want to volunteer?
Okay, Sophia.
Come here, honey. Just go to Prudence.
Yeah, because it's
Go to
hot.
Prudence on this side over here.
And
And
fan
just give
her.
her some air.
Where's Mommy?
While we get ready. Turn that up.
Oh my God, that's hilarious.
This is Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
That's the groom.
This is Kevin.
Okay, hold this. I want to
Thank you for coming.
Hi, Kevin. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm just so very happy you all came. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can I get somebody to man the camera? Does anybody want
I
to?
can do the camera.
All you have to do is push the button. No? Okay. So I got this
Wait a minute, I didn't
on.
have my
I know, but I'm like, I think I
Tell me when to push the button, right? Yeah. Okay. And you might need to move it back and forth a little bit. Here, wait, let's see if it's on.
Jen, I have stuff for you, so don't. I'll have to find it.
Okay.
I'm like, don't
Right
leave.
now you're
I'm like, yeah.
not moving as much as I was.
Okay.
Watch how this is. I don't know if you can see it. See how this is? You press the button here.
Oh, there's the bride.
That little bar. And then press it. And look here. Yeah. See how it says recording? Yeah.
That's so cute.
There, so
That
that's
is
how you know
very
it's going.
cute.
Okay, and then if I
I
want to take
love
more
it.
pictures, go like that. Okay, just do the video, I guess. And then if you want to do
Kevin, you got Kevin?
yeah, but I'm going to do the whole wedding, right? Right, you want to do the wedding.
Isn't it recording now?
No, I turned it off. So just press that.
I mean, this is
See how it says
Harley,
like
but
stand
you know,
by? And then it'll say record. Okay, see that movie? And when you're done, you just hit that.
So basically, I just press the black button.
Hold it down.
Pull her down.
Okay. That's the standby and then don't run. You don't have to do that.
So here is, we're going to just put them on. Wait, not yet. This is Annie.
Hi, Annie.
Everybody say hi,
Hi.
You can go ahead and record, even though we're not going to do the ceremony quite yet. So, and this is Annie. She's 3 years older than Kevin, and they've been together for 3 years. And now they're going to get married.
Oh.
Thank you for helping me. And then, so he's going to get in his area. Here, go give Annie some air.
Yeah, come on over here. There you go.
I think
Just kind of take this as slowly. Just,
You might want to come over here on this side.
Oh, Mommy's watching.
Just stay right there, love. Okay. John, do the preview, the first song again. Should we move?
We'll be done in two. This is super fast. This is fast.
There's one that already passed out.
Can I take a picture of the heart on your guinea pig?
You know, yeah, that one that was really not
Who?
back there. I saw one.
Well, we're going to go fast.
This will be fast.
all right.
Okay, so Jason, you go here.
All right.
John, you're on that side. Everybody go on this side over there.
Okay.
Okay, we're just about to start. How's the camera?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, John, change the music. Jason, hand out 3 copies. One to me, one to John.
Oh, I have.
Where's the other one? Okay.
Oh, you guys, wow.
All right.
You are very prepared.
Okay, turn it up, John.
Aww. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, that is too cute.
Wait a minute, slowly.
Oh my gosh, this is too much.
Not yet. Typical. Can't wait till it's over.
Oh my
All
goodness.
right, let's do it.
That
All right, ready for
Turn
me
off
again?
the turn off the music.
Okay.
Okay, now Jason is our preacher.
Oh, this is gonna be
All
good.
right. Okay.
Wait, John.
Hold on, sorry.
Sorry, Jason.
It's all right. The organist is really enthusiastic about playing this song.
John, turn it off.
I'm trying.
Just pull the thing out.
Hey, we won't do the processional. How about that?
John.
Okay.
Just go
Go ahead
ahead.
and start.
Go ahead.
All right. Thank you all.
Wedding ceremony of Kevin and Annie.
We've been cage mates for a while now. Dear family and friends, we've gathered today to joyfully acknowledge the wedding of this male guinea pig, Kevin, and this female guinea pig, Annie. He is fixed. We are not promoting little baby guinea pigs, just love and attention here.
They've been together for 3 years.
Yes, we come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to recognize a bond that already exists. This marriage is one expression of the many varieties of love. Love is one, though its expressions are infinite. Kevin.
All right. I, Kevin, take you, Annie, to be my wife from this day forward. I promise to go out in the night. Wait, hold on.
No, I didn't do that
You
yet.
didn't do that yet. Okay, so yeah, you got
Okay.
Behold.
Behold, our family here assembled, Kevin and Annie, and Prudence, their loving sister. We thank you, Lord, for their place in which they dwell, for the love that unites them, for the peace in each cage with no arguments, we hope. For the hope which we expect for tomorrow, that their food to be plentiful, we know they hope that. For their good health and the bright skies that make their loves delight. If we had a little bit less brighter sky right now, I'd be happy about that. For their guinea pig friends in all parts of the earth, especially Blackbean from New York City, who I guess is not here right now.
Black Bean Biddy.
All right.
And now the vows. So, I, Kevin, take you, Annie, to be my wife from this day forward. I promise to go out in the night to look for apples and grapes, if this is your wish, and to pick up my carrot off the ground every day and not go into your fleece house when you're sleeping. Oh, my love, how very like a rose you are, my regal, fragrant, floral star. I truly, truly love you, love you, love you.
Too busy eating.
Hi, Annie. I, Annie, take you, Kevin, even though you're eating parsley, to be my husband. And I promise
Or
to
my
let you.
rightfully wedded husband.
I promise to let you watch TV during dinner time hour and not eat your Timothy hay as you're watching TV. Also, I promise not to roll my eyes when we both meet at the kibble dispenser, because I know how much you love to stay by the dispenser for at least an hour. If my carrot is on the ground, I swear that I will move it to your side and let you think it's yours. Oh my love, our love is my shelter, my compass, my true north. Wherever you go, our love is guiding me forth. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Annie, will you have this guinea pig Kevin to be your husband, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Kevin, will you have this guinea pig Annie to be your wife, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, Be nice to her. And honor her and keep her in sickness and health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live.
Sure.
You've determined that you would seal your vows today by the exchanging of rings. Do they actually have rings?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. The rings you give and receive this day are marvelous symbols of endless love. The rings are made of sparkling gems, a symbol of purity. Let me see. Oh, pretty.
Bling.
Ling.
The ring is an unbroken circle having no end, so it is emblematic of the enduring and unending love you have for each other.
All right. So
I think you say I give this ring.
I give this ring to. I give this ring to you in remembrance of this hour, a symbol of love that is beautiful, endless, and complete. I offer you this ring as a to wear as a symbol of unity.
I give this ring, is it my turn?
Yes, your turn.
I give this ring in remembrance of this hour, a symbol of love that is beautiful, endless, and complete. I offer you this ring to wear as a symbol of our unity.
So we got the rings attached.
Got the ring.
Almost there.
Got it. All right. Annie and Kevin, you've now affirmed before your families and your friends your love and your caring for each other. You've come from different families. You have walked different paths. You've come from different litters. You're different individuals. Your love has transcended these differences. In the years before you, may the richness of traditions that you have matured, that have nurtured you, enhance and brighten your lives as you help to create and shape the future.
He's
Let
ready
us
to
be
go.
grateful for the capacity to see, feel, hear, and understand. Let us be grateful for this incredible gift of life. Let us be especially grateful to the ties of love which bind us together. Let's be grateful to Laura for putting together the picnic today.
Yay! Thanks,
Let's be
Lord.
grateful for Mommy and Daddy.
Yay,
Let's
Mommy,
rejoice and be
Daddy.
glad, and let us count our many blessings. And now I present the happy couple.
Yay.
Now that Annie and Kevin have given themselves to each other by solemn vows and joining of pause and the giving and receiving of a ring, I pronounce that they are husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to present for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Kevin and Annie Gibbons. Please join us in presenting the wedding cake to the couple and to us, which is a bunch of cupcakes, and to getting us to some.
Aww. Yay! Congratulations! Yay!
Are you going to do the procession? Go do it.
Honeymoon gonna be. Oh, I know. Later in the cage. Oh, there you go. Oh.
They're having cake.
Can we put a guinea pigs on the table?
No, we want to keep this. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Yay!
Adorable!
Okay, just stay here for a minute.
The pigs.
Okay, so here's the wedding cake.
That is very nice.
Honey, honey.
Nice cupcake.
And John has cake for
Human
us.
Thank you.
Danica, how about
He had a
I have vanilla too.
Chocolate and vanilla.
Yeah, it does.
And Kevin and Annie say thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us. Congratulations. Oh, look, they want the cupcakes.
I got 50 of them, so
Wedding cake, yay!
I almost wish I could pet them.
have one.
Thank you.